Good morning, everyone. I once again welcome you all to the lecture series on drug abuse, problem management, and prevention. Today, we'll discuss about what are narcotics, its common types, and its effects. Let's start with the introduction. Narcotics are illegal addictive substances affecting mood or behavior. These are the substances which affect the mind, which are widely prohibited or controlled, but still used and sold illegally. These are the drugs which induces drowsiness, sleep, and relieves pain. These are the medically defined as central nervous depressant with sedative properties, as it work on central nervous system, brain, and spinal cord, and changes the individual's psychological response connected with pain. All narcotics have the capacity to relieve pain, to produce a pleasant, dreamy euphoria. It creates a sense of well being and induces a feeling of relaxation. In medicine, narcotics are also used in moderation with the patient suffering from mental illness. These are the common types of narcotics such as opium, morphine, heroin. Opium. Opium is obtained from the unripe seed pods of the poppy plant, which grows extensively in India. It was also used to induce sleep. The name poppy is derived from the Latin meaning sleep inducing. Opium also creates a state of relaxation and happiness, so its playable effects were also noted. It can be administered in different ways, such as it can be smoked, injected, or taken in orally form. No matter the method of administration, opium is highly addictive and dangerous drug. It creates a threatening consequences for an individual. Short-term effects. The short-term effects of the opium are disinhibition, impaired attention, interference in the personal functioning can be there, drowsiness, lethargy, slurred speech. It decreases the level of consciousness or it creates psychomotor retardation. Long-term effects. The long-term effects of the opium are individual can become depressed, hypotension, hypothermia can be there, respiratory issues or breathing seizures, loss of appetite, increased risk of infection diseases. Whenever opium is injected due to unsterilized needles, it creates infectious diseases such as HIV/AIDS. Withdrawal symptoms. The withdrawal symptoms of opium are dysphonic mood, nausea, vomiting, muscle ache, pupillary dilation, sweating, diarrhea, fever, insomnia. Morphine. Morphine is one of the most effective drugs known for the relief of severe pain. It is light brown or white crystalline powder which is extracted either from opium or directly from poppy straw. It is 10 times powerful than opium. Morphine is odorless, tastes bitter, and darkens with age. It is sold in the form of white crystal, tablet, and injection. It acts on central nervous system of the brain and work by changing the way the brain and nervous system respond to pain. It blocks the specific receptor cells of the nerve cell and it also works in a similar way like painkiller work. It slows down the breathing of an individual and it is habit forming drug. Short-term effects. The short-term effects of morphine are euphoria, intense relaxation, chest pain can be there, dizziness, vomiting, lethargy can be there, itchy skin can be there. It causes nausea, appetite loss, seizure, altered or irregular heart rate can be there, cyanosis, which is a blue tint to the skin and fingernails. Long-term effects. The long-term effects of the morphine can cause morphine addiction, loss of interest in family, friend, hypertension can be there, viral hepatitis can be there due to contaminated needles, personality changes, impotence in males, health problems can be there, involved in criminal activity. Withdrawal symptoms. The withdrawal symptoms of the morphine are extreme drug craving, anxiety, diarrhea, irritability, sweating or swelling can be there. It decreases appetite or there is a loss of appetite, fever and cramps. Heroin. It is semi-synthetic drug derived from morphine and more powerful in its effects than morphine. It is widely abused, illegal, and addictive drug which has the capacity to inflate the personality. It is used in several countries to relieve pain or in opioid replacement therapy. Heroin is typically injected. However, it can be smoked, snorted. Its common forms are white or brownish powder or black stick substance. It is said to be most sedative drug due to ability to cause tremendous physical and psychological dependence, thus enslaving the user. Short-term effects. The short-term effects of heroin are reduced sensation of the pain, dry mouth, slowed respiration, heart rate, drowsiness can be there, nausea, itchy skin, lower than normal body temperature, or it creates a sense of well being or euphoria. Long term effects. The long term effects associated with the heroin are sleeping problems, constipation, poor appetite or loss in appetite, decrease in sexual functioning, decreased dental health, such as gum swelling or dental pain can be there, liver or kidney diseases, pneumonia. Withdrawal symptoms. The withdrawal symptoms of heroin are restlessness and discomfort, anxiety, diarrhea can be there, inability to sleep, pounding or racing heartbeat, sweating, swelling, pain in muscles or bones, muscle cramps can be there, or shaking. This was all about narcotics. In the next video, we will talk about various drugs such as inhalants, steroids. Till then, take care. Thank you.